Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I don't know if you can see what I have, or you can see this is the Hama stereo headphones, brand new, unopened. I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you the contents of this stereo headphones. They are not mine, but I wanted to review them. After I do the unboxing and show the content, I'm going to pair it to my phone, listen to some music, give you the feedback from my perspective. I'm going to use it for a couple of days because here I can see it says 12 hours talk time. Let's see if this is true or not. And you may be wondering what this is. So, if you watched the spicy ramen noodle challenge, you will know I want that challenge. If you haven't seen it, I'm just going to drop it here. You can check it out. And I won the challenge, and this is my reward. This is my prize for winning the challenge. So I'm also going to unbox this one, put it on my ears and test. The reason I went for this type of wireless headphones is because always at the gym I'm using the AirPods, so I'm using the AirDots, and I don't like how it feels in my ears. I feel like they're gonna fall when I'm doing some, intense elliptical workout, or I'm doing the weights. I get a bit scared, because you're moving so much and they just fit into your ear without any other grip or enhancement. So I thought this would be good for me, and I just mentioned it to Kwame in passing, like a couple of days ago. I didn't think he was gonna get them for me, but he got them as my reward. So you guys give a big shout out to Kwame for me. It was very thoughtful of him to remember to get me this. All right, guys, let's do this one first. I have my knife. I'm just gonna pop it here. Okay. Yeah, there's one thing here. Great. And open it from here. All right. Nice. All right. So this is it. Box is empty. So it comes with the headphones. You can see. And you got this for charging, and you got the manual. It says Calypso, so most likely the nickname for this headphone is Calypso. Do I need the manual? I don't think this is going to be very difficult to use, so I'm just going to put this aside for now. First, let's take this baby out. It's a bit heavy. Usually I like my Sony headphones, wireless headphones. They're smaller, they're cuter, but Kwame preferred this one to cover the whole ear. So before I turn it on, I'm just going to put it over my ears and see how it goes, how it looks. Okay guys, so here we go. It feels a bit heavy, but as I said, I'm used to the smaller Sony ones. Already, I can feel that there's some noise cancellation, a little background noise that I was having. It's gone. It feels a bit hollow. So I guess when you use this with some music, put some amazing Afrobeat music, it's just going to drown everything out. So let's see if it had some power in it. If not, I'm going to go charge it for a couple of minutes. Try to turn it on. Yep, you can see. So I don't know if you can see. All right, I'm going to try to pair it to my phone. I got the iPhone XR here. Let's see if my phone can identify it. Yes, Hama Calypso. So just click on it. Connected, very easy. Nice. Let's see which part is right, left. Okay, it has the inscription here. This is the right, this is the left. You can see it from the inside. I don't know if it's clear to you, but I can see. I'm gonna put it over my ears and play some music. All right, guys, it's really cool, like perfect. I put it all the way to the top, but I'm listening to a song which doesn't have so much bass, so I'm going to try to find another song. Okay, I have Turn Up by Kwame Eugene here, guys. Turn Up by Kwame Eugene. Kwame Eugene is an amazing Ghanaian artist. Check him out if you don't know who he is. This is not promo for him, I just like his music. So all right, I'm gonna play some Kwame Eugene. Let's play with the buttons here. Here we have increase the volume, decrease the volume. It's saying something. Let's listen. Put it over my ears. Maximum volume. So when it gets to the top, it says maximum volume. All the way to the bottom, it doesn't say minimum volume. But it says maximum volume. All right, and here it says bass. I don't know what this does, so let's try some music with some more bass and like some crazy beats and see how this is gonna sound. With the maximum volume, I turn it all the way up, so let's go. Yeah, guys, that was sick. That was really amazing. It was like at the maximum volume, and the bass was just like going straight into my soul. So that's cool. Let me try it again with clicking this bass button. I don't know what it does, but it's all right, guys. This is pretty nice. When you press the bass button, it comes out like, you know, when you have huge speakers and it's just pumping out the bass. That's how it sounds. So it gives you either the normal sound or like that extra bass. And I just realized that here it has extra bass boost. So yeah, this real life. If you got a song that is like has crazy bass, click on this bass button and you're gonna love it. Guys, this is really good. It's nice. So if you're planning on getting one of these, I would recommend it. And well, if you don't mind covering the whole, yeah, it's really cool. And I'm going to put the price somewhere here. I don't know the price. I need to ask the person who bought it. So thanks for watching this video. I'm going to do a quick separate video on the Trust headphones, the wireless sports headphones. So watch that video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Share this video, and thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.